1, Lesson 2, Speed and Velocity. The vocabulary terms that we're going to encounter in this lesson are the speed, average speed, instantaneous speed, velocity, and slope. Objectives: students should be able to define and calculate the speed of a moving object, convert units of speed from and to the SI unit, and differentiate between average speed and instantaneous speed. Let's start by reading the following text. Mallory's diary. Once my sister talked me into going to the roller skating rink with her. I hate skating, but against my better judgment, I agreed to go. I can skate, but I don't go very fast. At the rink, there were these speed skaters, or as I like to call them, assassin skaters. The assassin skaters went ridiculously fast. They were probably going approximately 20 miles per hour in the same direction as me. They zipped past me, just barely missing me. The worst part about going skating was getting stuck behind a group of skaters or a couple. They went so slowly that you had to speed up to get around them. Check the text. Underline the words or phrases used to describe the speed and motion of all the skaters mentioned in the adjacent text. We have don't go very fast. This describes the speed. Ridiculously fast, 20 miles per hour, same direction. So 20 miles per hour describe the rate, how much distance is being covered per a certain period of time. And same direction shows the direction of motion. And we have slowly, which describes the speed. And finally, speed up. So slowly means low speed, speed up means increasing the speed. So do all the skaters in the rink move at the same speed? Explain. No, the speed skaters go faster than the couples or groups of skaters. 3. Describe a sport or activity in which speed is an essential factor for winning. Swimming, because the faster a swimmer swims, the more chance he gets for winning a race.